Well, last night we saw a system stroll through, leaving us rain throughout the morning hours today. That rain is well into Ohio now. We've entered into dry conditions. Partly cloudy skies will take over from now as we head into the afternoon hours. So we stay mostly dry, but we can't rule out an afternoon shower. The spring is known for convective showers, and there's enough instability left over from last night, or energy really out in the atmosphere. We could see a shower still this afternoon. Now, the good part is most of us will avoid it. Most of us will stay dry, partly cloudy conditions. But then again, rain and thunderstorms are likely to enter into the forecast area for the overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. I'll explain all of that in a minute over the models. Let's talk about the recent rainfall. We've brought in almost a little over 1/4 of an inch of rain yesterday, and that takes our May rain total up over an inch of rainfall. Now, the average rain for May for this area is about 4 inches and 3/500ths. So we are not quite there yet, but again, we have the rest of the month to reach that level. Now, the rainfall we did receive left some problems for us on the Wabash. We were seen receding along the river, but as of yesterday, the flood stage is back up. Now, we're not quite over the flood level of 11 feet yet. We're sitting at 10.63 feet, but lowland flooding is occurring near Lafayette area. And of course, a flood warning is now in effect because of that lowland flooding. We'll keep you updated with changes as they happen throughout the day. Now, the sun's been up since about 6:18. A beautiful shot here on the horizon out at the courthouse. 55 degrees to begin today. Winds are calm. We're still seeing a lot of moisture and warm air enter the area. Relative humidity is up around 94% right now, and so we will see clouds because of it. We've got a moist atmosphere out there, so partly cloudy skies, but will remain dry for the most part of today. Now, we will see a scattered light shower in the afternoon is likely. From about noon to 2 today, we could see that, but really light rain expected. Our main concern is this system that's now entering into Iowa and Missouri. That'll be tracking through for tonight. The overnight hours offer the chances for showers and thunderstorms into tomorrow morning. So let's break it down. For today, here's the initial rain passing eastward this morning. However, mostly dry, partly cloudy for the afternoon, especially as you come home from work around 5 today. But we could see a scattered light shower, again 12 to 2, even right before you come home from work. There's instability or energy left out there that could give us a scattered shower. Our next concern, though, is showers and thunderstorms approaching the area for the overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Now, this model, Precision 18, shows it south of the area, but there is some northern rain associated with this. We're seeing it extend all the way up into northern Iowa, and as it comes through, it could hit the greater Lafayette area. So for tonight, showers and thunderstorms likely into tomorrow morning. For today, there's that scattered shower. Most of us will stay dry, reaching highs around 75 degrees. Partly cloudy conditions. The average high is 69 for today. The average low is 46. We're above both of those averages. Warmer temperatures. Tonight will be down to 55, today 75, so really some warm air still settling in. Tonight again, there's those chances for rain and thunderstorms through the overnight, lasting through the first part of tomorrow morning. Afternoon highs for your Saturday will be 65 degrees, and we finally dry out. That's right, Saturday and Sunday looking mostly dry for us, finally getting this rain out of the area, and we stay dry through Tuesday. High pressure will settle in, keeping us really in great conditions. Temperatures will be mild, though, in the mid to upper 60s. By Wednesday, temperatures increasing back into the 70s, and Wednesday also brings in our next chances for thunderstorms.